your first
first, last day of tryouts na. We started Feb 3 and 4. So we started with 100 players. Invited 100 players. And then we cut it down to 35 to 40 players, yung mga hindi nakapunta. Itong last 2 days of the tryouts. So ito na yung last day. So we'll cut it down to, hopefully we cut it down, makakat kami into 15, pero mukhang mahirapan. Kasi masyado maraming talent tayo, mga bata. We were surprised also kung ano yung naging turnout nitong tryouts na. So,
Coach, sabi mo na the first few months of your job, kumusta naman na so far yung pagiging
mahirap pala. No, it's hard because of a lot of talent, no, na meron tayo dito. Especially in the young age na 16 and under. Nakakagulat lang. Actually, marami pang hindi nakapunta, maraming hindi pa na-imbita. But so far, yun yung nakita namin. No? So, mahirap at the same time, very excited. Kasi mga bata to. Alam ko na gusto nilang matuto. Alam ko na mas gusto nila na given na gusto nila maging part ng national team. Nakita mo naman in your own eyes kung paano sila talaga magpakbakan dito sa 2 oras na ginawa namin. It's a show na pinapakita lang nila kung gano'ng gusto nila maging part ng national team. And you know, it's hard on our part as a coaches kasi lahat talaga deserving. No? The fact na we invited them, lahat sila deserving. But again, we have to make our decision. Yun yan, kung ilan man ang makuha namin. Hopefully, yun talaga yung the most competitive one na kailangan. Kasi kailangan competitive team pa rin talaga kasi sobrang nag-i-improve na talaga yung program ng ibang countries. So, yun. Kaya yun yung mahirap na part, but I'm excited. Really excited to do this. I don't consider this as a job, but I consider this as a blessing na na maipasa ko naman yung nalalaman ko sa kanila. But the way I look at it, mas marami naman mas magagaling sa akin nung ganitong edad ako. Nung ganitong edad ako, mas magagaling talaga sila sa akin, mas athletic sila. So I'm really excited to teach them, but more so to learn from them. Yun ang important.
Meron pa bang last na tayo? Wala na kayong gagawin?
Last na, wala na. Ano na kami? Okay na kami. Nag-meeting na kami ng coaches, nag-deliberation na kami. And then we'll cut it down to, hopefully, makat namin to 15. If not, kung sumobra man, siguro at least hanggang 20.
Kailan yung competition nyo?
May 24, I think we start Siaba. Southeast Asia Basketball Association. I think gusto yata ng SPP dito. So we're looking at out of town, Batangas yata.
Okay.
So since taga doon daw ako, this first time ko, pressure agad, di ba? And then I think so qualifying yung for the FIBA Asia on August, which is qualifying for the World Cup next year. Yun yung big competition talaga with Australia, New Zealand, China, everyone.
Coach, what made you decide to bring in Gabe Norwood as part of this stuff?
Gabe is a big factor for me. No? Siya yung una kong naisip kasi actually, Jimmy's here. Jimmy will be definitely will be part of the national team because I know, yun yung binigay nila for the national team. Actually, kung madadala ko lang yung buong team namin noong 2014, kasi naging malaking factor yung experience namin to be part all the way from the start of the program up to yung nagtapos kami yung because of our age na new breed of new generation. He has that parang experience na makakausap niya yung mga players or the players will automatically listen to him because of his experience, where he came from. So yun yung kaya yung kagad na naisip.
Coach, balik sa team, do you feel like we have the height kasi yun yung
Actually, yun ang
nagiging
yun ang ano namin, yun ang priority namin sa height. Actually, I've been talking to Coach Tim also because this program is vertical, horizontal, vertical. May ano tayo program na doon sa men's. Kasi ito na yung mga magiging next. Kai Soto, Tamayo, diba? So ito na yung mga next generation. So crucial ang development, and that's why I've been talking to Coach Tim, and I got coaching staff from the men's also para same system. So height is priority kasi yun ang kailangan natin.
Open pa ba kayo sa Phil Foreigner?
Will
now,
ano? Yeah.
in the future?
Naman, open naman kami in the future. Actually, every day we're open. Kung meron talagang makikitang talent and height. We're always open.